Hi everyone again. For the second part of the lab, we will make star connection and then we will do the seam. So for star connection, I have RL, 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 but what is needed, like what you are seeing, I need 200 ohm resistor and I need 200 reactance. So I will adjust this guy to be 200 ohm and this guy to be 200 ohm as well. Then for connecting star connection or Y connection, I will connect this guy to this guy to this guy. So I need wire to connect this and another wire to connect this. And this guy will be the neutral. This is the supply. It has a neutral and it has phase A, B, C or 1, 2, 3. Then I will connect this guy to this guy and this guy to this guy and this guy again to this guy. What I need, I would like to have a meter here to measure the line current, voltmeter between these 2 points to measure the line voltage, and a meter here to measure the phase current, and voltmeter here to measure the phase voltage. And don't forget, I need also to measure the voltage across R and the voltage across L. Let us go to the same machine that we are using the same loads. So I have R and L. I adjusted R to be 200 because I have 600 and 300 which are connected in parallel. So those will be on, those will be on, those will be on to get 200. And by the same way, 600 and 300, those on, those on, those on. The next step is to connect this guy to this guy, connect this guy to this guy, and then this guy to this guy. And then what you need, I would like to connect this to this and this to this. So I need this wire and one more wire. So this guy is connected to this and this is connected to this. This is my Y connection, which is here. The next step, I will connect those three to the supply. So I will connect this to this and this to this and this to this. And then the neutral is connected to that. Let us do that. I need 4 wires for that. So I would like to connect this guy to the neutral. And I will connect this guy to this guy. And I will connect this guy to this guy. And this to this. This is my circuit. This is my 3-phase power supply. It is connected, this 3-phase power supply is connected to those, and this guy is the neutral. So those are the 3-phase power supply, and this guy is the neutral. The next step is I would like to measure the line current here and the line voltage. So I need to connect this guy by another wire because I would like to add a meter in between and it is connected in series. So I1 is measuring what? Actually, I1 is measuring the current in this line. It is the line current. And I would like to measure the voltage between these 2 phases or the voltage between these 2 lines. So this voltage, or I can say this voltage is the voltage between, for example, this and this. So I need to connect E1 here to measure line to line. So it will be connected between this guy and this guy. So this guy is measuring line to line voltage. Now, I would like to measure the current inside this guy. So I will add between these 2 points a meter. So I will change this one by longer one. So I will put my ammeter between those. So I2 here is measuring the phase current, I2. And then I would like to measure the phase voltage. So I will connect between these 2, E2. So E2 will be connected between this guy and between this guy. So those are connected to E2. So E2 again is connected between these 2 points, which are the points for measuring the phase voltage. And I have this guy, which is I. This current is connected to I2, which is the phase current. So I2 is the phase current, E2 is the phase voltage, E1 is the line voltage, and I1 is the line current. The last thing that I need, I would like to measure the voltage across this guy and the voltage across this guy. So I need 2, again, voltmeters. So I will use this guy, which is E3, to measure the voltage across this resistor. So here, what I have, this guy is measuring the voltage across E3, across the resistor. And last one, which is measuring the voltage across this guy, which is across L. So this is VL, it will be E4. Like what you are seeing, E4 is measuring the voltage across L. So what I have, again, E1, I1 are representing the line to line, or I1 is representing the line current, E1 is representing line to line voltage. I2 and E2 are representing phase. E3 is representing VR, and E4 is representing the voltage across the inductor. Let us go back to the data acquisition system and turn on. So right now, what we have, I can take only one reading. Oh, doesn't matter, so I will stop here. For example, I will take this reading, E1 to 11.3, E2 1 to 1.9, and I1 0.413, and I2 0.417. Like what you are seeing, I line is equal to I phase approximately. I line is equal to I phase approximately. I'd like to keep any reading, for example, this reading. They are approximately equal, but because of the resistance of the very small wires, that's why I have some changes. Here, Q is 35.88. This is single phase power. E3, which is VR, 82. E4, which is VL, and the power factor is 0.725. Let me change this guy. S is equal to approximately 50.85. Let me change again and find P. P is equal to approximately, I can say, 37.77. So these are all readings that I need for Y connection. I'll stop right now and I will record another video for the last part for today's lab, which is unbalanced system. I'll see you for the next.